Hello everyone, my name is Yuliani. Nice to meet you all in this course. In this video, I'll be talking about Language in Society's core syllabus, what we're going to learn, discuss and do for the whole semester. Let's begin! As the name stated, Language in Societies, this course is about societies and languages or language variations existing in societies. This course looks at relationships and structures in societies influencing language and the other way around, language influencing the structures in societies. This subject also discusses the language variations caused by region, sex, social level, and cultural groupings. Bottom line, we will be talking about the why and the how societies and language variations influence each other. So, we'll be observing social phenomena related to language variations a lot. After enrolling this course in my class, you are expected to be able to comprehend the difference between prescriptive and descriptive views on language. You're also expected to realize how language can have variations which is caused by several social factors. To be honest, what I really want you to get when this course is over are that you don't become a racist person, especially in terms of others' languages or language variations. Also, you don't become a grammar police because you have known that language does have variations. I want you not to become judgmental and you're more sensitive towards intercultural communication to avoid misunderstandings. For class activities, I'm giving you various ways for different topics. First, like this one. Course materials will be delivered through either YouTube videos or podcast episodes. For YouTube videos, I'll use English, and for podcast, I'll use Indonesian. Besides videos and podcast episodes, we're also going to discuss a lot because this course is our chance to share our own points of views and I get to learn from you as well. The discussions can be done in pairs, small groups, large groups, or class. Third kind of class activity is video or movie watching. Then, we'll discuss about the movies we have watched. Lastly, we're going to have field observations, both in real life or online. Here, you will be trained to improve your investigating skills. Are you curious about how I grade you? Basically, I've got 4 variables for your final grading. First, your attendance. 10% from your final grade will be taken from your attendance. After that, I give 40% for daily activities, including daily assignments. So, if you're active in my class, be it in discussions, assignments, attendances, mid-test and final test, you can expect to get at least B- for your final grades. Except if I caught you cheating on your final test essay. That is plagiarism. Copy and paste from other sources and don't mention the references. Your mid-test will have 20% value and your final test will have 30% value. Did I mention about essays for your final test? Yes! Your final test is going to be either argumentative or analytical essay. I'm going to explain about the essay after mid-test, not in this video because I don't want you to be depressed in our first meeting. That's it then! The core syllabus for Language in Societies subject is a wrap. Have you got questions? Feel free to ask me when we meet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel! Oh, and my podcast. Bye everyone!